Hi guys, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a super easy skin polishing mask. This will remove your skin tanning, make your skin white and glowing and will enhance the complexion of your skin tone. So let's start preparing. At first I am going to take 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and few drops of lemon. In a bowl, put the coffee powder and cocoa powder and then add sugar to it. Mix all the dry ingredients properly at first. You can store this dry powder in a container in the room temperature for 2 to 3 months and you can use it anytime you want. Next, take 2 tablespoons of this mixture or as much as you need to make skin polishing mask. Into this, add few drops of fresh lemon juice. After that, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now mix all the ingredients well to make a thick paste. Now evenly apply this mask on your hands, face, legs and your entire body. Coffee is an amazing natural ingredient that enhances your skin tone instantly. It also helps you get rid of all the dead cells. Cocoa powder, on the other hand, rejuvenates your skin instantly and make your skin tighter. Sugar is a natural exfoliator which helps to remove dead cells. On the other hand, aloe vera gel and lemon juice makes your skin lighter and brighter instantly. After applying this mask, massage your skin for 2 to 3 minutes gently. Then leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. After that, pat dry your skin. You will notice a bright and soft skin on your body. This mask will give you fairness instantly. This mask will give you a glowing skin instantly. You can apply this mask for 2 times a week. Do not apply this mask for more than 2 times a week. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. And do not forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.